So here are some hands-on exercises for you to do. And most of it's self-explanatory. There's one new thing I want to show you. It's cool. But you could just read through these hands-on exercises. You could pause the video right now and read through them. Or you can access these hands-on exercises by going to our course document, right? This document here. You should have already have the URL for it. Heck, what the heck? I'll just show it to you. There's the URL right there in case you've misplaced it. Okay, so that's where you want to go to get to this course document. And then from this table of contents right here, you want to go to way down here, hands-on exercises right there. So in that section. All right, cool. So there are the hands-on exercises. And the new thing I want to show you is margin. We've learned about margin, right? So we have the content, we have the padding, border, and then margin, building that box, the box model. And then we have, with margin, before we just set one value when we worked with margin. We just said margin, 20 pixels or whatever. But you could also set 2 values. You could even set 4 values. And so if you set one value like this, that value is set to the top, right, bottom, and left of the box. And so with one value, that value is 20 pixels on the top, 20 pixels on the right, 20 pixels on the bottom, 20 pixels on the left. And so that's you can remember that with the acronym TROUBLE, top, right, bottom, left. If we set 2 values, right, so we could do 20 pixels and 60 pixels, then we're going to set that top is 20 pixels, bottom is 20 pixels, right is 60 pixels, left is 60 pixels. So that would be with 2 values. We could set 4 values, in which case top is, let's just change these. I don't know, there we go. Top would be 20 pixels, right would be 60 pixels, bottom would be 30 pixels, and left would be 40 pixels. And then there's one more really important way we could set values, and it's to do that. So this is top and bottom is 20 pixels, and right and left is auto. So what auto means is automatically make the right and left equal. And if it's a block level element, it'll make the right and left equal. So if my block level element is 400 pixels wide, and it says, okay, make the margin on the right and left equal, it's going to center the item in the middle of the page horizontally. So you'll often see 0, margin 0, auto. And margin 0 auto is just whenever you put in 0, you do not use a unit of measurement. I wouldn't put pixels there. I wouldn't put percentage there. You just put 0. And so margin 0 auto means nothing on the top and the bottom for the margin. Top and bottom 0. And right and left automatically make those equal, which is going to center the item in the middle of the page if the item is less in width than the width of the page. So I'm going to do margin 20 pixels auto, which means the margin will be top and bottom 20 pixels, and right and left equal. It'll automatically be equal, which will center it. So that's the new thing that I'm teaching you in this video. I'm giving you the setting right there, and you need to remember if you have one value, it's treble, top, right, bottom, left. If you have 2 values, it's top and bottom is the first value, right and left is the second value. And if you have 4 values, I could have set 4 values here for margin, then I'd be setting top, right, bottom, left, right? So that would be the way that would work. All right, so read through these. The rest of this is self-explanatory, and have fun doing these exercises. In the next video, I'm going to show you and walk you through and live code my solutions.